is Harare province, we look at a continuum that beyond 2030, what happens? The president has done exceedingly well for this country. We have had and we have lived his mantra. The country is built by its people, it is prayed for by its people, and so we are saying what happens to him. The people are saying what happens to him beyond 2030. So the people of Harare, as we go into resolutions for the next conference in Bindura, are saying His Excellency should remain the party president and first secretary of ZANU-PF at the 2030 Congress, so that he continues to guide the party and government in carrying forward with Vision 2030, in carrying forward with the mantra that with the mantra, a friend to all, an enemy to none. No place is going to be left behind. That mantra, that doctrine, that philosophy must be strengthened further into the minds and the hearts of the people of Zimbabwe. And who else can do better? It is only our president, Dr. Mnangagwa. Remember also, he is the most senior surviving member of the Masimirembwa, the revolution that brought this country to independence. So we still want him for an additional 7 years after, from 2030 to 2037. He must lead the party. That is what Harare is saying as the president and first secretary. So beyond what we are celebrating today, we need that visionary. We need the man with wisdom. We need that strategist. Where we got, despite being under sanctions, 182 countries out of 190 voted for Zimbabwe to be a non-permanent member of the Security Council. So you must ask yourself, where did the sanctions come from? If all these countries of the United Nations are saying Zimbabwe is worthy of being a member of the Security Council or of the United Nations as a non-permanent member. You also see that His Excellency successfully became the chairman of SADC. He is going to be the chairman of COMESA very soon. Even when you look at peer review, you had the Vice President of Uganda was in the country recently. It's all praises. Everyone wants to be near the president, to tap into his wisdom. We had our neighbor, the king of the kingdom of the Zulu, Mrs. Zulu, he was here, and another king, to talk about unity, peace and development. You heard what Yambi did in Parliament under the guidance of His Excellency, that Zimbabwe will not do it for that.